Hello friends, in this video I'll be explaining delete key operation in heap. So delete key is used to delete the values in a heap. Okay, so this is the input. There will be a heap, either it can be a max heap or a min heap, and we need to delete the value which is present in index 3. So if we see index 3, the value is 6. So we need to delete this value. For better understanding, what I will be doing is that I'll be representing this heap in a form of a tree diagram. Okay, so this will be the root, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So I've made a tree which is a complete binary tree. We all know that heap is a complete binary tree, and in order to represent the heap we need to use array data structure. Okay, so the index of 2 is 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so I need to delete this value. I need to delete this value. So if I delete this value, the heap property, the heap property can be violated. Okay, so in order to restore the heap property, we need to perform some operations in that case. So in delete key, we need to perform two operations. The first operation is decrease key. In my previous video, I've already explained the concept of decrease key, and after performing decrease key, we need to perform extract minimum. So using these two operations, like first performing decrease key and then performing extract min, we can delete this value. We can delete 6. Okay, so let's start. First, I'll be performing decrease key. So in decrease key, like if it is min heap, we need to replace the value. We need to replace the value in infinity, minus infinity, or it can be the smallest value. So while programming, what we can do is that we can replace the given index with int min. Okay, so this is the smallest value, and in case of max heap we need to replace it with the maximum element. Okay, so right now I'm considering the min heap, and it will be same in case of max heap also. So step 1 is to perform decrease key, and in decrease key what I will be doing is that I will be reducing the value at index 3 to minus infinity, that is the smallest value. So I'll be reducing it to infinity, minus infinity. So if I redraw this tree diagram, this will be 4, 5. This one will be int min. So I'm representing it using this minus infinity, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now after reducing it, the heap property gets violated. This min heap property gets violated. Therefore, we need to restore this min heap property. So what I can do is that I can compare this with the parent. So I can compare this with the parent. The parent of minus infinity is 4. Okay. So if the parent value is greater than the child value, I need to swap in case of min heap. So I'll be swapping 4 with infinity. So I'll be having minus infinity in this, then 5. As I have swapped 4 with minus infinity, 4 will be over here. This one will be 7, 8, 9 and 10. Again, I need to swap minus infinity with 2. So already in decrease key I have explained like why we are swapping the values, and we need to iterate till the root index. Okay, so that's why I'll be swapping with 2 and minus infinity, because the parent value 2 is greater than the child value. So if parent value is greater than the child value, in case of min heap, we need to swap those values. So minus infinity will be on the top. Over here 2 will come, then 5, 4, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so this is the first step. So in first step we have replaced 6 with minus infinity, and then we have found the parent index, and we know like we'll be using p equals to I minus 1 by 2 for finding the parent index. And as we got the parent index, we'll be comparing the value with minus infinity. As minus infinity is smaller, we need to swap in case of min heap. Okay, so this is the first step. The second step is to perform extract minimum. So in extract minimum, the first value or the root of this tree will be extracted from the heap. Okay, the root of this tree will be extracted from the heap. So if I represent this in the form of an array, first will be minus infinity, then 2, 5, 4, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so this is the array representation after performing decrease key. So what I will be doing is that I will be swapping this value with the last value. So minus infinity and 10, I'll be swapping both these values. So we know that in case of an extract min, we need to remove the first node. So in order to remove the first node, what we can do, we need to swap the first value with the last value in the array. So over here 10 will come and over here minus infinity will come. Okay. So if I see in the array, 10 will come in the first place and minus infinity will come in the second place. After this, what I can do is that I can reduce the size of the array. So on reducing the size of the array, initially in the array, the values were 10, 2, 5, 4, 7, 8, 9 and minus infinity. So on reducing the size of the array by 1, the array will be having the values 10, 2, 5, 4, 7, 8 and 9. The last value will be removed because I have already decreased the size of the array. So only these values will be present in the array. Now, if I represent this in the form of a tree, 10, 2, 5, 4, 7, 8, 9. If I represent this in a form of a tree, now what we need to perform is that we need to perform min heapify on the root node. We need to perform min heapify. Okay, so in extract min, the first step was to swap the values, to swap the first value with the last value and then perform min heapify operation. If it is min heap, then we need to perform min heapify operation at root node, like the first value of the array, which is 10. And if it is max heap, we need to perform max heapify. So already in my previous videos, I have explained the concept of min heapify. In min heapify, what we need to do is that we need to compare the value 10 with the left child value and the right child value. And if we acquired any smallest value either in the left side or in the right side, we need to move in that direction. So if I compare 10 with 2, like 10 with 2 and 5, I find that 2 is the smaller value. So I'll be moving in this direction. So I'll be swapping 2 with 10. Now 2 will be over here and 10 will be over here. Now again I'll be comparing 10 with left child value and the right child value. So the smallest value is 4. Therefore I'll be moving in the smaller direction and I'll be swapping 4 and 10. So 4 will be over here and 10 will be over here. Okay. So after performing min heapify, the modified heap which I'll be getting is 2, 4, 5, 10, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So this is the output which I'll be having after performing delete key operation on index 3. Okay. So the first step was to perform decrease key and then the second step was to perform extract min in case of min heap. And already I have explained in separate video like what is decrease key, what is heapify and what is extract min. So this is all about delete key operation in min heap.